Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, high temperatures today were pretty warm in Medford. We did make it into the mid 70s, but boy, it's cooled off quite a bit. We're now into the 40s and 50s east of the Cascades. Up and down Interstate 5, pretty much at 60 degrees and low 50s right now along the Oregon coast. It is noticeably cooler in Grants Pass and Medford, both 11 degrees cooler compared to 24 hours ago. Everyone else about the same. The clouds had the few showers, and also the wind as well definitely helped with that cold front moving through. So wind gusts today, it was a little bit on the breezy side for most areas. We were generally between about 20 to 30 miles an hour for the peak gusts, and the strongest was actually in Medford at 29 miles an hour. Now this is a satellite and radar loop for the last 6 hours. You can see the band of showers moving. Once it made it to the Cascades, it pretty much fizzled on out. So now we're just looking at clouds throughout our region. So I kind of drew a broken front for that system that moved through. It's continuing to push off towards the east, but we do have high pressure down to our south. This will continue to build up from the south towards the north over the next 24 hours, giving us some pretty nice weather for tomorrow. Forecast for tonight, we're going to be looking at 30s and 40s throughout our region. Cooler temperatures for most locations, with the exception of Medford. It won't really cool down all that much because we'll have more cloud cover for our region, but we're looking at 44 for us. 38 though, a little bit more clearing out towards Grants Pass. Now if you're thinking of taking a hike for tomorrow, it's going to be beautiful weather. We're going to just see some high clouds from time to time. Tomorrow's cooling off a little bit. We made it to 76 today. We should make it to about 70 for tomorrow. A little cooler for Grants Pass at 67, but Brookings still pretty mild, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. We'll have a pretty good north wind for tomorrow. In fact, it'll be a bit on the gusty side, maybe 20 to 30 miles an hour in terms of gusts throughout the day. 71 with lots of sunshine for Wairika. So our stormcast kind of showing the cloud cover here in the early morning for Medford. You can see the wind coming out of the northeast over towards Brookings. So that'll keep your temperature up quite a bit for tomorrow. We go through the day, remainder part of the day on Sunday, and we're just going to have some high clouds really from time to time throughout the day on Sunday and then again on Monday. But the thing that's going to be happening is there's going to be a system down to our south into California, and that's going to be weakening and moving up from the north, from the south to the north throughout the day on Tuesday. So there will be a chance of showers mostly along the Cascades and east of the Cascades. A very slight chance it could make it west of the Cascades, but at this particular point doesn't look to be the case. So for the next 5 days, we're going to be looking at the best chance of looking at rain will actually be into Siskiyou County. In fact, when we break it down, nothing going Sunday and Monday, but Tuesday, you can kind of see that little green bullseye into Siskiyou County. So that'll be the best chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon. Wednesday, that activity starts to decrease a little bit more, but Thursday, we'll actually start seeing some rain in the region. So the system that cooled us off today and gave us the front moves off towards the east. High pressure builds in for tomorrow. It's going to be a pretty nice day for tomorrow. And then we'll have that weak disturbance down towards California, giving us a southerly flow. That'll help to trigger some showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday. That shifts off towards the east on Wednesday. And then another strong system moves in towards the latter part of the week, start to cool on off and feel more like spring yet again. So here's your forecast for the Oregon coast. Temperatures pretty mild for the next couple of days, cooling off with a lot more cloud cover Tuesday and Wednesday, and then seeing some rain by the time we get to Thursday. Northern California, 70s for the next couple of days and lingering into Tuesday and Wednesday, but then we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms on both days. The heaviest precipitation will stay into the Cascades at this particular time. For the Klamath Basin, we'll be looking at 60s and 70s for the next several days. Your next best chance of real rain will be later in the day on Thursday and into Friday. Cascades, mild temperatures for tomorrow, a little bit warmer for 65 on Monday, cooling all the way off into the 40s by the time we get towards the end of the week. Could even see some rain and snow around 5,000 feet at that time. For the Rogue Valley, cooler tomorrow, about 70, 80, very nice on Monday, and a slow cooling trend by the end of the week. Looking at around 60 by the end of the week with some rain.